If you clicked on this video or the title, you have some kind of accuracy problem. And today, I'm going to give you the secrets or the knowledge you need to become more accurate. If you come to the range and your targets look the same over and over and over again, if you're buying 200 rounds and you're not getting any better, this video right here is going to be for you. You don't need more ammo, guys. You need a system. And today, I'm going to give you that system. Hi guys, John, the Firearms Instructor. We're taking a brief break in this video to say thank you to our sponsor, Evolve Range Solution. If you own a range and you are looking to upgrade, don't go back to the ropes. Don't go back to the cables. Go see Alex at Evolve Range Solution. Here's his QR code. He's changed our facility to the better. He can do it for you. No matter how big or how small, these units are simple, they're easy, and they are fun. Plenty of business comes from it, and ammo sales are up. So if you're looking to upgrade, go ahead and give Alex a call. He will help you out tremendously. Let's get back to the video. So I want to tell you a little story. Last week, I watched a gentleman come in. He bought 200 rounds. He went to the out. He was having a little bit of accuracy problems. He came out and got me. I gave him a few tips, came back. What's funny is after I gave him the tips, his targets looked the same. Because he didn't take what I was giving him and implementing them. He was falling back to his weakest training that he's done, if he's done any training at all. His target looked the same from the first round to the 200th round. They all look the same. And I think what happened for that guy and a lot of other people like yourself, you don't evaluate. You don't know why things are doing what they're doing. You need to take your time, visualize your bullet impacts. Because I'll tell you a little thing here. The gun doesn't know where the target is. The bullets don't know where bullseye is. They're just there to be ran by you. And if you don't know what's causing your inaccuracy, the firearm surely isn't going to know. So today, we're going to cover the things I think you need to do to be more accurate with a pistol. See, the mistake most of you guys are doing is you're assuming if I shoot enough, I'm going to figure it out. Well, unfortunately, you can't figure it out if you don't have the proper fundamentals. Grip, stance, trigger control, sight picture, sight alignment. You got to have that, guys. If you don't have it, everything starts to go a little wobbly. If your groups are low and left, if your groups are wide, maybe low, maybe wide, maybe all over the place, there's a lot of stuff you're doing to manipulate the pistol, and we need to solve that as much as possible. The challenge for most students is when they shoot, they get lucky once in a while, but accuracy isn't about luck. It's about a system, and the system needs to be implemented every time you go to the range. You're at the range and you're shooting and you watch something, like I said before. Are you evaluating your targets? Are you asking yourself, not how did I do, what caused what I did, if that makes sense? Am I pulling the trigger? Am I slapping the trigger? Am I not focusing on my front sight? Am I focusing on the target? Is my grip right? Is my grip wrong? Is my stance backwards? Am I not holding on to the pistol properly? Am I not driving with my chest muscles? These are all things you need to ask the questions, because once you figure out the problem, which it could be one, it could be all of the fundamentals, you got to solve it. But the problem is you can't solve all the fundamentals one time. You got to keep working at it. What is the whole thing? To become a habit, you need to do it at least 5,000 times. So yes, you got to press the trigger 5,000 times. Yes, you got to get the sight alignment properly 5,000 times. You got to work on your grip and work on your stance. And all this stuff needs to be repeated on a regular basis. And if you're shooting once a month, it's very challenging to get everything down. Now, dry firing helps out an awful lot, because it helps you with trigger and grip and everything else without wasting money at the range. But you can dry fire and get all the sequences you need out of that. But you gotta get the system. You gotta ask yourself, how am I doing versus what am I doing? It's gonna help us out tremendously when you become a better shooter. Easiest way to identify what you're doing wrong is grab a target, grab 5 rounds, grab a marker of some kind, shoot your 5 rounds, mark your holes. You'll begin to identify what's causing. What I mean by this is, let's just say you got the weapon in your hand and that first shot goes right off where you want it, right? And the second shot is there, and the third shot is there, but the fourth and fifth are starting to roll off to the left. Well, we have to identify what's causing that. It could be a lot of different things, but majority of the time when someone's shooting a magazine with 15 rounds, you're losing power, you're getting trigger drift. There's a lot of little things you can do that will cause the gun to do some odd things. If you're shooting and you got that one high flyer edge time, that's probably rushing through the shots. You need to take your time, get those evaluations, evaluate your target, and at the end, you're going to start identifying where the major problems is. I will tell you what to look for right off the bat. If you're shooting low, you might likely dip in your head towards the gun. Don't dip your head. Bring the gun up in your line of sight. Use your waist to aim the pistol. If you're shooting low and left, it's probably a grip scenario. We need to make sure we're gripping the gun properly. That 60-40 grip we talked about, or hold on the gun hard and hold on the gun harder. If you are shooting the left part of it, you could be having a bad grip, which your thumb could be, if you have the thumb crush grip and you're pushing this thumb against the weapon, that could cause a little bit of issue. If you're anticipating the recoil, that could cause problems. See, I'm trying to help you identify some of the stuff that your targets are telling you. It's very easy for me to say it, it's harder for you to identify it. But if you pay attention and slow down your round count to about 5 shots at a time, you can begin to identify what a good shot feels like and then what a bad shot feels like. Here's my challenge for you. Instead of going to the range next time shooting 200 rounds, I want to shoot 50 rounds. I want to shoot 5 rounds at a time. I want you to shoot your targets 5 shots at a time. Identify your targets. Mark your holes so you know what's going on. Because this really will tell you a lot of what you're doing. You have to know your system and you have to know what you're doing wrong to try to fix it. This is a challenge for you. I'd recommend you try it. And if you want to, you can always send those targets into us and we can check it out for you and help you identify what you're doing wrong. Email's always in our list. This is why we built the school community. The school community is a web-based program for students just like you who can't identify what they need to do to become a better shooter. When you join the school community, which I'm personally inviting you to, for the first 7 days, it's absolutely free. In that first 7 days, you are going to get a 4-week masterclass. Will truly help you identify some of your problems. You're going to get the masterclass ebook absolutely free. You're going to get the 60-minute accuracy fix, which is my newest ebook, absolutely free. Those 3 things right there, about $125 worth of value. I'm personally giving it to you. You get 7 days for free. After you get past your 7 days, it only costs $7 a month to work with me exclusively. With the school community, it's an app-based program. You can send a picture of your target to me or the school community, and they can try to help you identify what you're doing wrong. I don't know what else I can do to make you a better shooter. I appreciate you watching these videos. If you found some value today and you want to support a family-owned business like mine, go ahead and hit that bell icon, that like and subscribe button. And every time we upload a video just like this one, you'll be the next to know. I'm John, the Firearms Instructor. I specialize in you, and I'm personally inviting you down to the range. to work exclusively with me, check out this QR code right there. It's a YouTube discount for anybody who is local and wants to come down and take a training class with us and take your training to the next level. Interactive, fun, no more mess, no more papers, no more boring targets. All ready for you. All right. Until next time, God bless, be safe, and remember, you are your first line defense. We'll see you, folks.